What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I am opening, as promised, 4 hanger boxes of 2018 Donruss football. I've done the value packs, a whole box of the value packs. I've done hobby boxes, blaster boxes. The only thing left to check out was these hanger boxes. It says look for rare autographs and fans of the game and signature marks. 2 rated rookies and 2 rookies per box on average. That's not very many, honestly. There's the digital pack stuff. I was wondering, I was asking out loud, and I don't know if anybody's answered me. I've been so busy, I haven't had a chance to respond to comments as much as I'd like to, but if there were any special parallels that were exclusive to the hanger boxes, and I'm not sure. It doesn't say on this that there are, so I'm gonna guess there's not. It seems like that would be something they would advertise, make sure that people knew, so they would want to buy the hanger boxes. So there's one fat pack, and that is a really fat pack. I'd love to pull an auto or something really good out of this. I've done alright with Donruss. I like it this year. I've done okay in general. I've been happy with what I've opened thus far. I don't know how much more I'll open with so much other stuff coming out. I don't think I'm going to read off all of the cards, but yeah, I'm not going to. I'm going to try to keep this video a little bit shorter because I've already opened so much of this stuff. I will scan through the base cards anyway. God, I've got a ton of these base cards now. Absolutely hundreds, because I've opened so much. Alright. There's Clowney, AJ Green, and we're getting down to the goodies. Alright, okay, so there's red press proofs in here. And there is the first one, and it's Julio, which looks good because it's red on red. And then we have Daniel Sorensen, red press proof. A Phillip Rivers. Wow. That's a good looking press proof, numbered to... trying to read, it looks like 75. That is a really cool card. And an Anthony Miller rated rookie, red press proof. Carson Wentz, Team Henry's. Good grief. Team Heroes. Dominators, Derek Carr. Todd Gurley, Fantasy Life. Elite Series, Deshaun Watson. Gridiron Kings, Alex Smith. Oh, sweet, a Sam Darnold rookie Gridiron Kings. Snow Days, Clay Matthews. A Von Miller reprint. What was this? 98, 97 Donruss? I can't remember. MVP, Joe Theismann. Singletary, Walter Payton Man of the Year. And then our rookie card. Looks like I cut my finger opening a box. I didn't even know it. Traquan Smith. Kerwin James, Mark Walton, and Minka. So I'm going to go ahead and say, wow, that is a lot of goodies for this hanger box. One hanger box. That is a lot of stuff. Wow. That was a lot better than I expected. You know, I opened hangers of 2016 and 17 Donruss. And I guess I should have remembered that they do put quite a few things in here, but I didn't. But wow, this is that's a really good value. I'm kind of wishing I had bought more of these and less of the blaster boxes. Wow. I feel a little stupid. Still got to try to find time to see if I can put the set together since I've got so many of the base cards. Speaking of, let's tear on through here. Flip these over. There's Cooper Kupp. Alright. The red press proofs are Earl Campbell and Golden Tate. Then we have a Matthew Stafford purple to 99. It is actually a season stat line. Purple full. Chase Edmonds, rookie red press proof. Anthony Miller, the rookies. Team Heroes, AJ Green. Antonio Brown, Elite Series. DeAndre Hopkins, Fantasy Life. Ty Law, All-Time Gridiron Kings. Jordan Howard, Gridiron Kings. Matt Ryan, Donruss reprint. Ground Force, Frank Gore. Drew Brees, highlights. Matt Ryan, MVP. Then we have a Sam Darnold, very nice. Jordan Akins, Kalen Ballage, I'm not sure. And Tanner Lee. Another nice box. Box number 3. Alright. See if I can just pull these off. There we go. David Njoku and Malcolm Butler. Sweet, there's a Trubisky red press proof. Oh, Sony Michel rated rookie red press proof. So Dominators and rookies, Nyheim Hines. Who's this? Who is this? Christian Kirk. Elite Series rookies. Legend Series, Terry Bradshaw. Sweet, a Calvin Ridley. Rookie Gridiron Kings. Very nice. A McGahee, All-Time Gridiron Kings. Snow Days, Tom Brady. Terrell Davis, Legends of the Fall. Good looking cards. Kurt Warner, Man of the Year. Rodney McLeod. The champ is here. And our rookies are Jalen Samuels, Taquan Lewis, Deshaun Hamilton, and Dylan Cantrell. Alright. Done lost track of what I was doing here. Oh well, I'll figure it out later. Alright, last one. Wish we could get just one autograph or super short print would be really cool. But even if I don't, by and large, I'm very happy with these. I like it when I feel like I've gotten a good value for the money I've spent, because God knows I spend a lot of it on these cards. Okay, let's pull the base cards off. We're starting off with Teddy Bridgewater, because I can't talk. Teddy Bridgewater, red press proof. Darius Slay. Travis Kelce. The red on red looks really good. Jaleel Scott. Lamar Jackson. Nice. Todd Gurley, Dominators. Legend Series. Who is this? Urlacher? Yeah, Urlacher. Ronald Jones, the second Elite Series. All-Time Gridiron Kings. Largent. LaShawn McCoy. Odell Beckham. Donruss reprint. Legends of the Fall, Tony Gonzalez. Derek Barnett, the champ is here. Eagles. Fran Tarkington, MVP. Equiminius St. Brown. Duke Dawson, Dallas Goedert, and I can't read this. This guy. So let me know what you think about this. Did you open any of these? To me, this is just a really good value. I'm gonna see if I can make the set. If anybody's working on the set, let me know. Email address is below. I'll see if I can help you with some of the cards that you might need. But yeah, this stuff is every bit as good. You know where the blaster gets you is it gives you a hit. This doesn't give you a guaranteed hit, but this gives you a lot of inserts for the price, so I'm giving it thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back with my next video soon.